Hi everyone, good day. So today I want to do a little demo, just a little video to show about an exploitation tool I've been using for a couple of months now, Koadic. So Koadic is an awesome post-exploitation tool, but then depending on how creative how you could use it at any stage of your engagement. Uh, and it was demoed at DEF CON in July this year. So that's about 5 months ago. But even at that, it's still pretty awesome. Little or no detection rates on popular antiviruses. Uh, okay, so here is the GitHub repo of it. It's of Koadic. So Koadic was created by this guys, Aleph Node, Leonatas, Jana Magnus, Zerosum. Okay, so shout out to these guys for creating this amazing tool. Yeah, so basically, the readme explains it. Koadic is a command and control post-exploitation rootkit. It's used for pen testing and it has the feel of Metapreter and partial Empire. Uh, Basically, just that. Uh, and then it's possible for you to save your payloads completely in memory from the initial stage, from the dropper to down to the end. Everything the payloads run all from memory and uses a secure communications over SSL and TLS. So depending on which what the victim always has enabled to do secure communications. Okay. So we'll just go ahead straight ahead and install it. So you should clone from GitHub. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and type this in my terminal. There's some example. But since I've already had it here, so I'm not just going to clone it. I'm not just going to install. Uh, okay, so after cloning, yeah, so this is it already cloned. And so all you have to do is just run it Python Koadic. Okay, so this is it. Mine stuff is like Metasploit as well. Okay. So first things we should look at stages. So Koadic has 4 stages. You could say, yeah, okay. Okay, so we have so you can use the switch modes. So we're going to use stages. Okay, so we have uh, the disk stager, MSHTA stager, regsvr stager, and the run DLL32 GS stager. So of all these, I prefer using the MSHTA stager. It's easiest to deploy, and then regsvr stager. Both stages are easiest for me to deploy. I've tried and used successfully. But for today, we're going to be using MSHTA stager. So use MSHTA stager. Okay. So next thing, info. So you see, you just so basically like a Metasploit as well. You just set, okay. So L host. Okay. So I'm just going to check what my IP address is. Okay. 192.168.0.8. Let's just set 192.168.0.8. Okay. So I could decide to leave the local port as 9999. I'll just not change it. So the next thing will be to either run or exploit same as Metasploit. Thanks to the creators for not having to change the operations. Okay, so run. So spawn the stager at uh, this URL. So we're just gonna copy this. Okay, copy. Okay, so now uh, at this stage here, uh, we're going to be trying to hook this stationer to our payload, which will send to the zombie, uh, which is our victim, right? Now it depends on you to be creative on how you want to deploy this. So you could choose to deploy it as a binary, or just deploy it via a web page. So the payload drops via a web page, or my favorite method is via phishing. So sending it as a macros in a Word document. Now, for purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to show how to do that. But okay, I think I should just show a little bit. Okay. Um, okay. So I have a script here, HTA script here, which I embed in macros. So it's pretty simple. So all I need to do here is just change uh, this string here, set process creates, change this. Social HTA here. Okay. So this save and then set it embed it as a macros in the Word document and get my victim to click on it. Uh, but then, for sake of time, I'll just simply embed. Okay, for sake of time, I'll just simply copy this URL like this and paste it. I'll type it in my victim PC here. So HTTP 92168.0.8 slash. Oh, okay, that's the WQWMZ. I hope I remember that. Did I get that? Yeah, okay. So this is our payload now. So all I just need to do is get. So assuming the victim has clicked on it from the Word document, it would spawn off a command shell in the background. Okay. So if you notice, my cursor just blinked, showed the waiting sign, and will turn back to normal. So I'll switch back to my Kali, and then you see, oh, so it says staging new connection, zombie or desktop. This is my zombie desktop victim, Windows, Microsoft Windows 10. You've noticed this is a Windows 10, Microsoft Windows 10 VM. Okay. So what we'll do now next is to uh, use the command zombies to check. So you could as well just check. So zombies, we have just one zombie. Zombie zero. If you have more than one zombie, just click the use the ID, and it shows you detailed information about the session. So in this case, we have our zombie. It's alive. The last seen on so date and time. This is the IP address. User is desktop. SQ this host name. Primary domain controller is unknown. Operating system Microsoft Windows 10. Yeah. Architecture. Okay. So this is session key and user agents. Okay. So now it's for you to get creative. Like I said. Uh, so normally what I do is to elevate privileges. So use an implant, elevate bypass. Okay, so let's try this. Info, do I have to set anything? Payload. Okay, so I do not have the payload, particular exploit for this readily available now. It's on my other laptop, but okay. So you could just find up payloads online and then use in this place. apologies, I do not have a payload. Just find a payload online and set the payloads. Just points the this payload to the directory or the paths where you have this payload and then run, and then you bypass by use this exploit. I think an exploit by Gentle Kiwi or I can't remember. Bypass UAC. Okay, but after bypassing, there are a lot of you could as well use implants, uh, enumerate users, got that, enumerate users. Okay, so just run. So that was our Windows machine that gives notification just now. Okay, so um, next, I think next thing will be to check uh, jobs. Okay, so have a job. This was job just now. Zero. Okay, I think I should do zombies again. So still try to gather user info. Just I'll have just one user. If there are multiple other users, sort of enumerated them as well here. See because see it says job running. So you can as well spawn off a command shell. Provide the minimum as argument. So command shell 0. So have a zombie. We have. I don't know why it isn't working. Okay, see. So you have a regular command shell here. So it shows this is system32 folder of victim. Cd dot okay. No, I don't know why that didn't work. But it's still in system32 folder. But basically, you have a shell here. You could do whatever you want to do. Like for example, like I think it's one word. So uh, so basically, you have a command shell here, and it's now left for you to pivot your way through using a publicly known exploits on exploit DB or wherever you could get from to pivot your way through. Uh, what else could you do? Okay. Um, the other thing is okay. Could do the phone implant there. If you, this is if you're trying to prank someone. Uh,
I can't do that, Dave.
yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna run that again once more.
I can't do that, Dave.
Notice the volume. It's from here. Okay. Uh, so basically, you could just try whatever you want to do. Use the implants fish. Uh, okay. So I think here the message is you must enter your password or so. You should have it here. Over here now. No, I think it's on the background. Okay. This is our phishing box actually showing here. So this is phishing box. And if I were to enter a password, Okay. Now, see, input content came up here. So it's just basically for you to play around. Uh, use it as if in my own case I use it as a dropper, then use other exploits to pivot around. Uh, it also has a mimic a module that you could use. So there's mimic a implant you could use, and then WMIC pivoting implant as well you could use. So it's just up to you to be creative, play around, and then end the engagement on a sound notes, exploits the victim's box. Anyway, thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much.